Let's talk about the eastern red bat. Red bats are the most abundant foliage roosting species in all of North America. So they're found anywhere there's a tree east of the Rockies, up from Canada, or all the way down to Florida. You see a tree, there's probably gonna be a bat. Eastern red bats are considered foliage roosting species, meaning they hang out in trees. And they're usually pretty solitary, so you won't see them in super large colonies. They really only come together to mate, or whenever a mom is still taking care of her baby. Otherwise, they'll usually be by themselves. Now, you might be wondering how this bright red coloration helps them camouflage in the wild, and that's because whenever they're hanging out on a tree, just hanging out by 1 foot in a little branch, they'll curl up and they'll look like a dry leaf or sometimes a pine cone. Now, this flying Cinnabon feeds on moths and beetles and those pesky mosquitoes that we really hate during the summertime. So if you hate mosquitoes, they're your favorite pest control. Now, my favorite thing about these bats, other than being like heckin' cute, is that they can migrate or they can hibernate. Depending on how they feel, they can kind of choose one or the other. A lot of the time they do tend to migrate to warmer weather because that's also where the bugs are gonna be, but they have been found hibernating up in trees or down below in leaf litter. And that to me is just super cool.